Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you are signed into the Snapchat account that owned the snaps. This matters for any server requests. Once confirmed, enable airplane mode and force close Snapchat so nothing overwrites local cache. Now connect your phone to a computer or open a file browser app and locate app storage. This is where temporary media often resides. Make sure to give file access permissions when prompted, so you can copy the relevant files off the device for safe analysis. Next, dive into the app storage path such as Android/data/com, Snapchat, Android, or the cache directory on your device. Once inside, search for files with snap prefixes, timestamp blobs, or media files without extensions. Sometimes thumbnails hide in no media areas. Copy every candidate file to your computer. Do not edit them on the phone. Once copied, try renaming extensions to JPG or MP4 and open with a reliable viewer. This often reveals content that Snapchat didn't explicitly save to memories. To finish, run specialized recovery tools like Photo Rec or Disk Digger on the copied files if a simple rename didn't work, because they can rebuild headers and restore fragmented images or videos. If a file opens but looks corrupted, try alternate players or a hex editor to identify valid media signatures and rewrap the file. This is why you kept originals. If nothing appears, the data is likely overwritten. One troubleshooting tip: stop using the device immediately to avoid further writes and try recovery from a full image copy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.